how to share your Instagram story with specific people. So all you have to do is here to go to your Instagram application here, and it will lead you directly to your home page. Now here is what I want you to do next is to just swipe left to right, and you will see your camera here, and then on the bottom part make sure you have set it to story. So now if you will add a picture there, here let's say you want to just share it as your story, then what you want to do next is you will tap on close friends here. Now if you tap on close friends, you have now successfully added your story to specific people. Now to do that is here you have to tap on your close friends here, and then tap on the people who can actually see your profile. So you must add them to your close friends so that they can see your Instagram story. So those specific people can see your story. So basically, that is how you share your Instagram story with specific people. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.